Hi there, Rick and Sean here. We all know how important voiceovers are. They're unavoidable, as you'll need them to make any kind of videos, such as sales videos, demo videos, presentation videos, landing page videos, training videos. You'll need voiceovers, period. The problem? Voiceovers are super expensive. If you go on all the major freelance sites, you'll find out quickly how expensive voiceovers are. Just how expensive? We're talking about thousands of dollars. Not the extra costs such as commercial license and other fees. It's downright annoying and expensive. And to make things worse, these voiceover artists can deliver late, screwing up your entire project. The other option? You could use creepy-sounding text-to-speech and scare away all your website visitors. We all know there's nothing more unpleasant sounding than listening to a creepy robot voice. Yuck! I mean, ask yourself, would you buy something after listening to an annoying robot voice? Of course not. We knew there was a better way. In today's world, you must stand out from the crowd. You need voiceovers that are enjoyable to listen to. That's exactly why we put together a solution that would allow you to create human-like voiceovers from our AI within minutes. And we've been able to do exactly that. So, without further ado, let me pull back the curtain and introduce you to what this is all about. Introducing VoicePal. Remarkable, human-sounding voiceovers in that engage listeners in mere minutes. Here are just some of the powerful features you get with VoicePal. You can produce stunning, human-sounding voiceovers within minutes. Paste your text, choose your voice and language, and download. The options are nearly limitless. 189 different voices and 30 languages to choose from. Speech to text. You can instantly create traffic, getting articles from the audio of videos. Speech to speech. Instantly convert existing audio files into other languages and lifelike voices within minutes. Save thousands. You'll never need to pay for a voiceover again. VoicePal always delivers on time. No overdue deadlines, ever. You'll never need to record voiceovers yourself. Perfect for anyone, especially people who don't feel comfortable recording their voice. And you won't need to shell over big bucks for expensive voice equipment. Stop throwing thousands of dollars down the drain. Let VoicePal do the work for you. When you get your hands on VoicePal, there's no need to fork over your hard-earned money to voiceover artists. That means you can save literally thousands. Not to mention, if you hire amateur voiceover work, the costs still add up. You do the math. A simple 5-minute voiceover can cost you $100 or more. You'll quickly find that out after going on the top freelance sites. And you'll definitely need more than one voiceover in your lifetime. Am I right? So even if you go with amateur talent, you can still expect to fork over thousands. This is exactly why VoicePal pays for itself. Okay, grab your VoicePal copy today and produce stunning, human-sounding voiceovers within minutes.